how do we exist, or what makes us human being, or why do we become people with senses in the first place? Well, these are the 3 social sciences. Might be the answer to your question. Welcome. Today, we're talking about the goals and nature of anthropology, society, and political science. Each of these disciplines provides unique insight into human behavior and society. Let's explore what sets them apart and how they will contribute to our understanding of our world.
Anthropology. It came from the Greek word anthropos, which means man, and logos, which means study. So, basically, this is the scientific study of man or human beings. Anthropology explains that how a man turned from this to this. It also explains that how a different evolution of a man, which includes the Homo erectus, Homo sapiens, with whom word familiar.
Why do we need to study anthropology?
So why do we need to study anthropology?
Because in order for us to understand the origin of bondage, like what it said earlier, it explained in the 8 different homos. Also to understand the diverse form of our existence throughout the time and understand our communities and difference on each other.
The goals of anthropology.
The goals of anthropology: observe common things among people. Second, find out what makes people diverse from each other. Third, create new information about humankind and behavior with the use of research. Fourth, to understand how people adapt to different environmental conditions. Lastly, to gain more knowledge about the fossils of early humans and their ancestors throughout archaeology.
Sociology.
The next one is sociology. Sociology. It is derived from the French word sociology, meaning companion. It is the study of human relationship and institution. We study here the social problem. It aims to study and appreciate the nature of humanity, development and structure of our human and society.
The goal of sociology: number 1, study the essence of humanity. Number 2, appreciate society. Number 3, teach us about the concept of behavior and social sciences. Number 4, to understand how membership in one social group affects the individual behavior.
And lastly, the political science. From the Greek word polis means city-state and scribe means to know. Political science is a social science that deals with the state and government. It is also defined as an academic discipline that deals with the study of government and political process, institution, and behavior. Nature of political science. It is a social science concerned with the theory and perspective of politics and the description and analysis of political system and political behavior.
Goals of political science. Number 1, to keep the social order and peace among different group of people. Number 2, to make people better citizens. Number 3, protect the rights of an individual. Number 4, to promise cooperating in governance and politics.
In summary, anthropology, sociology, and political science each offer distinct complementary perspectives on human behavior and societal organization. Anthropology looks at culture and historical aspects. Sociology focuses on social structures, and political science addresses governance and political systems. Thank you for joining us on this journey through anthropology, sociology, and political science. Dive deeper and stay cautious. Bye-bye!